what are implementation pilots? So the way that I like to describe them is that the goal of an implementation pilot is really to establish guidelines for how the tool can create and sustain long-term engagement, among end users in that authentic context. So if your tool is meant for elementary students in grades 3 through 5, we want to study how that looks with elementary students in grades 3 through 5, right? So that's what we mean by an authentic context. And we are really looking to get it to the point where teachers and students are using it exactly like it's meant to be used, that all the features are being used, that it's being, not sitting on the shelf. So some of the guiding research questions that we're looking for are like, what are those most effective techniques to integrate that product? So how do teachers really use it? Like, should it be with small groups? Should it be with whole group instruction? Is it meant to be a supplemental tool? So all of those teaching techniques are what we're looking for. And then also, what kind of contextual factors might influence the success or failure of implementation? So this could be anything from, if you find out like the tool is not meant for big groups, so class sizes of more than 30, those are contextual factors. Or if there's something about the type of learners, and you find that if you have all learners with an IEP trying to use it at one time, that's not successful, right? So any kind of those contextual factors is what we're looking for.